000 cold open 3 months ago. Amanda had no idea that AI would change her financial life forever. She wasn't a Wall Street guru, she wasn't even a finance nerd. She just wanted to invest, but every advice video felt like it was speaking a different language. Amanda's story might be a lot like yours. 0-30 setup, who, what, where. Amanda's 34, works remote and digital marketing. March 2026, she's watching headline. Another tech rally, Tesla's AI split, Google's quantum search surge. But she has $3,600 in her savings, almost nothing invested. She scrolls TikTok, sees creators claiming AI robots pick my stocks. Make $10K fast, just let this tool invest for you. She wonders, are AI investing tools real? Which ones work for absolute beginners? Everywhere she looks, it's information overload.
Mutual funds, meme coins, AI powered this, robo that so. Amanda asks Google, best AI investing tools for beginners 2026. But which one is actually dumb simple? Which will hold your hand and not blow things up? 200 rising action. The challenge. Amanda decides to test 3 tools purely as a beginner. No jargon, no big investments. She wants something as easy as checking Instagram. First up, Fidelity Robo-Advisor. Minimum just $500. Setup is all sliders and plain English questions. Goals, risk, timeline. Takes 5 minutes. No charts, no scary graphs. Second, Robinhood Copilot AI. New for 2026. Uses ChatGPT style prompts. Amanda just types, show me beginner portfolios for under $1,000. Third, WealthWise Portfolio GPT free plugin for Google Sheets. Amanda pastes her $3,600, tells it, give me diversified ETFs for growth, low risk. Instantly it builds a sample portfolio, ticker, percent to buy, explanation in simple English. 60 minutes later, Amanda feels unstoppable, except what's the catch? But she's not sure she really understands what she owns or what happens next. Cliffhanger, but then the first curveball. 400 complications. When AI gets messy, here's where it gets interesting. Amanda wakes up 2 days later, her phone buzzes. Nvidia drops 5% overnight after antitrust news. She opens Robinhood, her AI-optimized high-growth portfolio, down $43 in 48 hours. $1,000 became $957. She checks Fidelity. It's less volatile, but still down. WealthWise GPT's picks. Turns out the low-risk ETF includes global real estate, which is tanking. Now Amanda gets dozens of notifications. AI suggests you sell. Copilot detected volatility. Rebalance suggested. It's overwhelming. She realizes even the dumbest simple AI tool can only work with the data it's fed. It can't predict the news, especially not quantum shockwaves or surprise bank runs. Hello, Silicon Valley Bank 2.0 rumors. She almost rage quits. Is this all just a fancier slot machine? Cliffhanger, but she finds one essential trick no guru ever tells you. 600 climax. The real advantage, but the real surprise is coming. Amanda scrolls through WealthWise GPT's recommendation. Underneath, in plain English, it spells out why it picked each asset, not just because AI said so. This fund holds 2,000 global companies, 55% US, 15% emerging market. Over the last 20 years, it averaged 1% per year, even through multiple recessions. He clicks Copilot's Explain My Portfolio button. It auto-generates. If you invested $500/month, here's your 10-year projection, including high, average, and worst case. Amanda suddenly gets asterisk. The real AI advantage in 2026 isn't about beating the market. It's about breaking complexity down to dumb simple choices, backed by real data. It won't turn $3,600 into a fortune overnight, but it means you can finally invest without feeling clueless or making massive rookie mistakes. Pattern break. Quick cut to Amanda setting up automatic $200 monthly deposits. Spreadsheet updates itself. AI gives calm green checkmark. 700 resolution. Lessons learned. So here's what Amanda and maybe you should remember. AI tools in 2026 are better than anything even 2 years ago, but they're not a free lunch. Use platforms like Fidelity Robo-Advisor to get started with literally $500 and autopilot everything. Use explainers inside Robinhood Copilot or Portfolio GPT to actually understand why you own what you own. Don't skip this. Accept short-term risk and volatility. Your AI can't remove it.
Only help you stay level-headed and diversified. Biggest edge, setting up small, repeatable habits. $200/month auto-invested. 10 years from now, you'll be stunned. If you're enjoying this story, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day and you don't want to miss the next one. And before you go, remember, this isn't financial advice. Just what's worked for real beginners in real markets this year. Want to see what it looks like to build passive income side hustles using just AI? Check out our next story, 5 passive income side hustles built with AI 2026 edition. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new investing plus money stories every single day. The next story is even crazier. Disclaimer, not financial advice. Just one beginner's true story in 2026 brand new investing world.